Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. You'll have just seen me flying down to Innes Chonnel, or Ardconnell Castle. It's a 13th century castle and stronghold for the Campbells. So at this point, unfortunately, I was trying out the new Mic 3, the DJI Mic 3, but it sounded like I'd eaten it. So bear with me trying out this new technology for the old channel. So it's supposed to snow at 4 o'clock today. The weather was terrible yesterday, and it's supposed to be snowy and icy all day tomorrow. So really, I'm just trying to get out with a break in the weather, just whilst it's not raining or snowing.
Oh, the baby ones. Wow, them baby ones are cute as. I've just got some magic gloves, I've got some hand warmers, and I've got my summer gloves in the middle of winter. And oh my god, let's try to get these on. Fuck. It is so cold, it's like 1 degree.
So yes, up to Aberfeldy for some food. But wow, Killin's so beautiful. Killin, it's so beautiful here. Falls of Dockart to my left, what a place. So yeah, up to through Kenmore, up to Aberfeldy for some food, up to Pitlochry from there, and then back to Castle Menzies. Oh, and there's another castle I want to see, Taymouth Castle. Yeah, so what a trip we got in store there.
We're just cruising. But it's stunning. Ah, this must be the bridge. Kenmore Hotel walks. Wow, look at that. That's absolutely stunning. What a place. This really is beautiful, and I've been near here before. The old church. Look at this place. Wow. Taymouth Castle. Well, obviously, I've got to go see what this is. This is why I absolutely love adventure. Taymouth Castle. That's a neo-Gothic mansion that's been like built on top of a 16th century ruin, basically. I think probably bastardising it pretty rottenly, but yeah. So it's US owned, and it's just under renovation as a mansion. It's not going to be a hotel. It's going to be, I think, obviously for whoever owns it, they're just renovating it. But yeah, neo-Gothic mansion it is. Scotland's first fair trade town. So it's a little town. Oh, look at the building work. Beautiful. No idea where I'm going. Get me sent to the cinema. Well, there's a petrol station, that's good. I need that. Right, I need to find somewhere to have some scranners now, I'm starving. Call me King Arthur. Salt spoon. Do you want some? Saltings. There's this place called Inti. It's absolutely amazing. It's amazing. Thank you so much. It's lovely. And I've just been to 22 Inti, and that was some of the best, if not the best burger I've ever had. It was absolutely incredible. Right, I'm just intrigued to go somewhere. Oh god, it's cold. Forget how cold it is when you sat nice and warm. Takes me half an hour to put on my layers and take them off. So I've taken the DJI mic off the GoPro now, because I'm going to use it with the Insta360, or at least try to. So see how we get on with this. Just need to have a look at something. I'm going to do Castle Menzies on the way back, so I haven't forgotten about it. For you, Mr. Mac, the greatest father-in-law to be, one of my best mates. I just seen this, the Black Watch Memorial for you, sir. The Highland Watch, or simply the Watch, was established following the issues of commission from King Charles II in 1667 for certain clan chiefs to raise independent companies to be a constant guard for securing the peace of the Highlands and to watch upon the braves. The dark tartans worn by the men of these companies to distinguish them from the red soldiers led to them being known as Frias Dando, or the Black Watch. Black Watch Memorial, 1887 this. For you, Mr. Mac. It's absolutely stunning. Just thought I'd come and pay my respects. It's beautiful. Musket on the back. Wow. Absolutely amazing. That's for you, dude. I thought you'd love that. So, and then you've got this amazing bridge. The River Tay. And that bridge is just epic, isn't it? Anyway, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. See, the Tay Bridge was the showpiece of a network of military roads. So, got me a little DJI mic on. Tay Bridge back there, which we'll be going over when we go to Castle Menzies. We're just going back through. I'm getting a shift on now because I've been fighting about here for about 2 hours. That food was amazing though. Aberfeldy, awesome. Kenmore, absolutely epic, by the way. So there's 2 beautiful places within the space of 15 minutes. And now we're off up to Pitlochry, which is 15 mile, 26 minutes from here. Look at that's beautiful as well. Look at that thing. Anyway, come back here, get some fuel, and this place is lovely. And then head over the Tay Bridge and back to Castle Menzies. If we can see that, that'd be ace. But I'm going to go up to Pitlochry now and see what's there, because I've never been. I've only heard nice things. So we'll get up there, have a good look round, and yeah, let's see what we can find. It's going to be cool. It's beautiful here. Aberfeldy's beautiful. Yeah, man. Loving every second of this so far. Oh, so the Dewars Aberfeldy Distillery. This is such good. Oh, you can smell it. It smells amazing. It smells absolutely beautiful. The Aberfeldy Distillery. That's stunning. It smells amazing too. Wow. So this whole area in Perthshire, or Perth, is, by the way, unbelievable. Really nice. That River Tay just cutting through the valley, or the glen, cutting through the glen is just it's so beautiful here. The houses are stunning. Villages are bloody lovely too. Wow, it's lovely. I really do like it here. Look at the roads, wow. Nice, something different. This is cool. But I just don't like other cars are coming. Beautiful roads though. Fun. 5.5 mile to Pitlochry. Just a quick update. We're on a cool single track road. We're down to half fuel. Plenty in the tank, sir. Plenty in the tank. Beautiful place. Really is nice up here. Out wasting fuel as usual. Snow on the mountains in the distance. Two, please, buddy. Cheers, dude. See you later. Coming into Pitlochry, the Mash Tun Bar. Look at this. Stunning. This is cool. Coffee breaks. It's cool. It's absolutely beautiful. Dam and Visitor Centre. Oh, do you want to go down there? Let's do that then. Right, we're at the Pitlochry Dam. Gonna go check this out. Got the fish ladder that I want to see. The dam. This is cool. Working with nature. It's a necessity. Pitlochry Dam and Power Station. It was started in the 1930s. Scheme was started in the 1930s. 18 kilometre dam. Skadoosh. Look at that. Imagine dropping it. Ooh, got to be a toilet in there. Hiya. Hi. I want to see this fish ladder. Ooh, look at that. Smack it off everything as usual. Guy fly fishing down there. Good lad. Tight lines, old boy. This place is pretty cool. Oh, the fish ladders are there. Is there any fishes? Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Beautiful place. Absolutely stunning. Scotland's just getting unmatched so far. Oh, fishes over there. Wow. Imagine going fishing. Got fish ripples. He's fishing in the wrong spot, that lad. Needs to get up here. That's cool, isn't it? The Perthshire restaurant train thing, that is awesome. Yeah, that's cool. Can't go that way. So Pitlochry's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. West Island Soaps. Look at it, the buildings are amazing. Reminds me a bit of Calendar, but maybe a little bit nicer. No offence, Calendar. You got all your little shops. Look at that. Manicola would love that. Not Mountain Warehouse. That one. Mac and Pinch. Isle of Tweed. Birdie, come on, skinny love. Just let it be. Shall we just see what this Athol Palace Hotel and Museum looks like? I think so. I love doing stuff like this. Oh, look at that! Wow. Wow, look at that. Car park, table parking, food. Right, no point me going any further, but that's pretty cool. That's what I could see the peaks up at the bottom of the hill. Cool. So we're going to fly back through Aberfeldy, over the Bridge of Tay, and then Castle Menzies. What? Been a lovely day. Hehehe. Ooh. Castle Menzies is down here somewhere. Weem Forest Walk. Oh, it's there. Look at that. That is awesome. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Excuse the helmet hair, but beast's filthy. But Castle Menzies, shit, it's amazing. Look at this. Wind's doing now from the airline. Scotland flag's ripped in two. That's no good. That is absolutely beautiful. Have a little look round. This has just to see this has been a highlight of my day. It's really made the whole trip worth it, because that is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Look at it. I don't think you like to come back when it's open. Hello. What a place. Ancestral seat of the Clan Menzies and the Menzies baronets. That is so cool. Close to the former site of Weem Castle, destroyed in 1502. Seat of chiefs of Clan Menzies for over 500 years. Strategically situated, it was involved in the turbulent history of the Highlands. The marriage stone above the original entrance is installed by James Menzies, 1371. So, and there's a big puddle there that I really want to ride through, and I'm definitely going to do it. Definitely. Epic shot. My feet got wet. My feet got wet at the last one. Castle Menzies is stunning, by the way. But this is where I get piss wet through again. So worth it. Oh god, I'm a fucking idiot because my feet are freezing now. I crashed my drone getting a thumbnail. It was about 3 foot off the floor. It hit a bush, like a little bit of bramble. So I cracked the bramble and fell. But it was like the most gentle crash ever, and it snapped a propeller, like fully snapped a propeller. So I did a local roadside fixture, but I need to buy some more propellers because I don't think I have any spares for the back right now. Kinloch Rannoch. I know where we are now. I actually do know where we are. I've come down this way, up, and over. What a place. What a place. The road between Kenmore and Killin is just awesome. Look at the mountains on the right hand side, covered in snow. Absolutely covered. I'm gonna go up there actually. I'm gonna go and see. I'm gonna go see how snowy it is up there. So I've decided, just for a quick local look, I've been up here loads of times. I want to go see, look at that mountain ahead. I want to go see what it's like if it's snowy up here. And I do need a tinkle, so this is just the way up to Law's Dam. But it's beautiful, so let's do it. Just have a look. I just want to go see the dam, what it looks like in the snow. What a beautiful way to end the video as well. I'd just like to say a massive thanks for watching, guys. A little bit of a different video this time. I like to get more footage like this with the drone following me, but on them fast roads you just can't. So whereas roads like this you can chill and just take your time and enjoy it. So last time I was here, I saw a Highland coup. Just here. Yep, on this awesome bridge. What a place. Yeah, so like and subscribe, guys. It's free. I appreciate it, and if you want to know when my next videos are out, hit the little bell icon and it'll notify you. That'd be awesome. And comment where you think I should go next. I've got some ideas, but come March I'll be riding a little bit more down in England and Wales, so that's the plan. Oh god, I love it here. Still 2 hours for me to get home, like 2 hours. I mean, it's not drastic, but I could just play out all day, that's my problem. I know you lot will be same. No gritting or snow clearance carried out beyond this point. Yeah, use alternative route in winter conditions. Look at this! Look at this! Wow! Beautiful! Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a winter wonderland. I probably should have just come up here. Glen Lyon in the snow. I love this little road here, Law's Dam. But the fact that they've cut the road through the rock here. How cool is this bit, look? Wow. Wow. Right guys, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.